Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself, Dea Musdan IPA, NPM 2202040006. From CCA.
Hello everyone, my name is Indah Kumalasari, my NPM 22020400011.
Will present first material, namely test concept. Tests are also a set of tests that must be done, or a number of questions that must be answered by students to measure the level of understanding and mastery of the scope of their required material and in accordance with certain teaching objects. Tests are often used as the only tool to assess student learning outcomes. Even though tests are actually only one of the tools to measure student learning outcomes. B. Assessment concept. Assessment is a tool that chronological helps teacher in monitoring student or assessing the student learning process. In this case, assessment can not only assess the result of the student learning process, but also their learning progress. Assessment is carried out at the end of learning. Assessment in the form of a test containing questions from the material that has been studied. Assessment indicates which students are learning well and which students are lacking. C. Concept of teaching. Teaching refers to action taken with the aim of producing learning. Teaching involves face-to-face meetings, and teacher action are conducive to producing student learning. Usually, teaching action includes various activities that include explaining, describing, demonstrating, giving example, and reading. Test assessment and teaching are three interrelated components in the learning process. Tests are part of assessment. Assessment as a basis for improving teaching, and teaching as facilitates effective learning to improve test and assessment result.
Type of assessment. 1. Formative assessment conducted during the learning process to monitor the progress of student learning. 2. Summative assessment conduct at the end of a learning period to measure the final achievement of students against the learning objectives that have been set. Example are finally semester exam or national exam. 3. Diagnostic assessment conduct to identify students' strengths and weaknesses before starting a learning process. 4. Authentic assessment assessing students' ability to apply knowledge and skill in real situation. Example are presentations, project, or portfolio. 5. Performance-based assessment assessing students' ability to perform tasks or solve problems. Example are practicums, performs, or simulation. Teacher-made test versus standardized test. 1. Teacher-made test. Basically, teacher-made tests are used to evaluate the progress of the student in school. However, the specific use of tests may vary from school to school and teacher to teacher. 2. A standardized test. Standardized test is an instrument of measurement which measure what it aims to measure quite correctly with constant result. The process of the standardization demands a more critical analysis of the subject matter, rigorous planning of the test, more accurate construction of test items, analysis and refinements condition for scoring. Approach to language testing. The classification of language tests consists of 4 main testing approaches. 1. Essay translation approach. This approach is usually referred to as the pre-scientific stage of language testing. This approach does not require any special skill in testing, but this approach requires subjective judgment from the teacher. The test basically consists of essay writing, translation, and grammar analysis. 2. Structuralist approach. This approach to language learning focuses on systematic acquisition. The foundation of this approach involves several aspects of structural linguistics, such as the importance of contrastive analysis and the urgency to classify and test students' mastery of the separate elements of the target language, namely phonology, vocabulary, and grammar. 3. Integrative approach. Integrative testing has links to the global view of competence, the underlies language competence or grammar or of expectation, which every learner is said to possess regardless of the purpose of the language being learned. 4. Communicative approach. Communicative testing to some extent focuses on the use of language in communication. Success can be measured based on communication effectiveness, not formal linguistic accuracy. Current issue in language testing. English language learners often face problems including background, poor vocabulary, use of mother tongue, outdated core curriculum, lack of speaking skill, and lack of confidence.